In this video, I'll show you how to install the Realistic Vision R2 graphics mod in GTA San Andreas. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on this required files and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close tab here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, back up to a San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the required files, drag and drop the files inside, replace the file in the destination, and then go back. Open this Realistic Vision R2, open the folder, open the main files, select all the files and drag and drop inside of the game folder, replace the file in the destination. The final mod, you need to open this .exe. Again, open this folder, drag and drop inside of a game folder. Right click on the exe that is 14,000 KB and select show more, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. Select the resolution and select a dedicated GPU and select. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.